are hearings and trials the same thing in family court, or are they separate
So
situations?
hearings and trials. So like all trials are hearings, but not all hearings are trials, right? Like you will
That's
get
a real lawyer.
I'm serious because this is something that like gave me a headache back in the day when I was like, what's a hearing? Wait, is that trial? Right? If it's a proceeding where you're taking testimony or evidence, that's a hearing.
Okay.
And then the biggest hearing that you can have, I guess, is the trial, right? So you can have like a hearing, like a traverse hearing, if they're challenging that service was proper, you ask for a traverse hearing, and that's what determines. So you can have hearings for like separate issues, and then you have the grand hearing, which is the trial.
Are there
It's called a fact-finding hearing, technically.
are there
So it's like any other. We have hearings in criminal court where your hearing is to determine a legal issue.
Yeah.
That's your evidentiary hearing, and then you have your factual hearing, which is your trial. But their trials don't involve juries.
that's what I was gonna ask. They're all bench trials.
All benches.
And what's the standard of proof in family court?
I think it's preponderance. That's
Preponderance.
what they told us, like that more likely than not.
51%.
50.1.
So
50, even say 51, yeah, 50.1.
Point one. Shit, I like that one
Barely.
better.
50.0000001.
if you could sneeze across the line, we win.
If you roll over the line, you won.
Oh wow.
But he's right. It's preponderance of the evidence, which it just means more than 50%. Anything more than 50%.
All right, so that yeah. I mean, obviously, I guess it makes sense because how would you resolve these issues? And beyond a reasonable doubt it would make things very complicated. But